Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video guys, we will see how you can fix error only one config section element allowed, and it must be the first child element of the root configuration element. So this error is coming in the web.config file, so you can go to your web.config file. So if you have made some changes in your web.config and after that you have got this error, then what you have to notice is that the configuration tag here must have the first element as config sections. So if you add any other tag before that, then it will give the error. So what you have to do is you have to move the config sections above this element, and then you have to try to run the application again. So first will be configuration tag, then will be the config sections, and then you can add your other tags here. So we are running the application now to see if we get the same error or it changes to different error. So that we will see now. So you can see this time we have got different error, and that is related to the connection string. So the earlier issue that we had related to the web config sections, that has been resolved. So this is how you can fix the error. Thanks for watching guys.